Hi everybody, it's Saturday, June 27th, and I wanted to show you Rudy has got a new toy, a little planter that he found that's making us laugh. Oh, we have Soleil nursing, and Rudy chomping away on this plastic planter with Rosie and Daisy and Ivy and Clarice, and we have we have Capri, and there is, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, there's Carol with Soleil and Bree and Jackie and Matisse, and there's Capri. Hey, the baby! And so there they are having fun with he just started to walk around with that. Hey, baby. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Hey. Hey. You want to take it? You want to play? Here. Hey, look. Rudy. It's Rudy and Jack. Jack has turned no, that's Pastis, sorry. Rudy, Pastis. There's Rosie. We had a nice afternoon in the sunshine and just relaxing in the shade right now. There they are, with just a whole pocket full of Coton. Why bother watching TV when you can have a yard full of Coton outside, huh? Even though Brazil did win. Yay, Brazil. Vai, Brazil. Now we have Soleil with, she's nursing her pups. Oh my gosh. Oh, he still has it? Oh, that's Rosie now. Let's see what happens. They love the crackle.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's too funny.
Oh, puzzle worm.
Look at her. Oh, there's Ivy is in the... See, oh, he's got some plastic in his mouth. Better not... yeah. Thank you, Carol. Oh, look at little Clarice wants to come up. Hey, Clarice, you want to come up? Hey, baby. He's a good baby. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yep, here we have a nice little fight here. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is what we have, territory, huh? The territorial, who's gonna be the I'm sorry, this is too much. What do I call this? Puppy fun? Well, they're having a great time. Now there's Olive, Breeze, Daisy, Rudy, Ivy, and Rosie.
No chewing on the little pieces.
Did they have it all torn up? Well, another puppy moment. Definitely worth a video. So I hope everyone is having a great weekend. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Rosie and Ivy are now spoken for, and so the selection process is almost finished. Oh, she's got a piece there. I think we'll take that away. Yep. End of game.
End of the pot.
So say hi to Carol.
Hi.
Say hi to Tony.
How are you?
Yeah.
Hi, Tony.
Hi to Sarah France.
Hi.
There we go. Say goodbye to Rudy and Ivy. Look at her. That's what she does to the wee pad.
Yeah.
Rosie and Daisy. And here we have Soleil with her babies. Actually, they're nursing with Bisou and Pastis looking on, and Lily supervising and Jack supervising, with Sophie over in the corner. So we have a green grass, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day, and it was a great day to have the puppies. And this is what they do. They all look at them. Rosie and Ivy now at it. They love to play. It looks like they're going to tear one another's head off, but that's how they play. They play rough. So I hope everybody's having a great weekend, and we'll check in a couple more days with new videos. Okay? Love all of you. Bye-bye.